Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this overseas brand of these paint markers. This is the 12 pack. So you can see right here, we have got a great variety of colors. These are so fun. My kids love, love, love to paint rocks. They love to color and draw on things, and these are such a great option. So I'm gonna kind of show you what they look like, and then we're gonna go outside and show my kiddos painting some rocks so you guys can see actually what the paint looks like in action. But these are so cool. I love the idea of paint markers because you're able to paint and it gives you the paint look without painting with a paintbrush. So as a mom, these are so much more convenient because your kids are still getting the same effects of painting, but you're not having to do all the cleanup of painting. I literally will send my kids outside with these and let them paint rocks all day long, and they absolutely love it. So a great variety of colors, very easy to use. Now I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna show you what we can do, but these literally can paint on any surface. So wood, rocks, metal, shirts, glass, paper, literally any material these will stick on. They are very, very nice. I absolutely love them. I love the variety of colors, and I love the ease of letting my kiddos do a fun activity without having like an hour of cleanup after. So hop on, check these ones out, but let's head outside and see how they work. All right, you guys, here my kiddos are having such a great time. They are figuring out how to push down on the pen to make the color show up in the little ink portion. And that's just showing you again that it's working. So you can see right here, it just takes a couple of pushes and then they are good to go. So super, super fun. They absolutely love these. They are loving coloring on the rocks, making all sorts of pictures and fun designs. And I'm gonna kind of give you a close up in just a minute of what this actually looks like on the rock. But the ink comes across really, really clear. It really is a paint pen, which is so dang fun. So they're just having a great time. They have colored so many rocks today. And then here's a close-up of how it comes off onto the rock. It gives really great bright color. They are loving this. If you guys need paint pens, I highly recommend checking these ones out.